Hello students, welcome back to Pearl's Excel and Molecular Spectroscopy series. Today we'll start with the lesson number 12, that is force constant. In the previous lesson, we shortly touched on this topic, but today we'll explore it in greater detail. So let's get started with definition of force constant. Force constant is restoring force per unit displacement. And explanation for it is a Hooke's law is restoring force on a molecule is proportional to its displacement. So, restoring force directly proportional to displacement. That is, F directly proportional to minus x. So, F is equal to K minus x. Assign this as a equation number 1. The negative sign is due to opposite in direction of restoring force and displacement, where F is restoring force, x is displacement and K is force constant. Now, put x is equal to 1 in above equation, then F is equal to K. Now consider the equation of vibrational frequency is omega bar is equal to 1 upon 2 pi c square root of K upon mu. Now rearrange this equation for K. So you will get K is equal to 4 pi square c square mu in bracket omega bar square Newton meter, where c is equal to velocity of light, mu is equal to reduced mass, etc. Conclusion. First, value of force constant determines strength of bond and molecular stability. Second, higher the value of force constant, stronger is the bond and bond energy is more. Third, lower the value of force constant, weaker is the bond and bond energy is less. Fourth, molecule which having 2 or more bonds between the atoms is more stronger as compared to molecule which having single bond between the atoms. Because force constant is more for molecule which having 2 or more bonds between the atoms. I hope you understood the term force constant. Thank you so much watching this video. See you soon with the next lesson number 13.